Hey guys, I'm Shark from Teamverse, and today we have another great nature card. I was planning to upload my new series of work about the intro. I think I talked about it before, but I was too lazy to put all the avatar thing on in there, and then it takes some time. And yeah, I'm so lazy. I was thinking of finishing it today, but then we got great nature card. And I was like, okay. I've been noticing a pattern. Great Nature Review got 8 for some weird reason, and then my subscriber have come up by 10. Even though for the past 2 months I got only 4 sub. And then in this 2 week I managed to get 10 sub. There needs to be some pattern here. So I thought, might as well bring KT back. He's not been in 2 weeks. So yeah, so we got some Great Nature stuff. We got Triple R stuff. Kind of hoping Gear Chronicle take that Triple R spot, but it's already been taken. But yeah, so sad. Great Nature, it's not that popular for me. I mean, I only know 2 person who play it. I know KT, and then I saw on Vanguard, I guess he played. Kind of sad. One more thing is Doc Boo is not a Triple R. So, KT, introduce yourself.
Why are you back in the basement again?
Wait, what?
I want to be let out of here, please.
You're doing that joke again?
Just let me out the basement. I mean, we've been in here once. I want to be free.
Yeah, KT is going crazy in his Minecraft thing again.
Oh, I love Minecraft.
What? I said Minecraft.
And I said Minecraft.
Yeah, last time you talked about Xbox and now you talk about Minecraft.
I actually don't even remember talking about Xbox, that's the thing.
But you said it. It's like the highlight point. The highlight point of that video. I think I got so many views and likes for that one video just because in the early of the video before I review card there's so many jokes on it. I feel like that's the point. Okay, KT have died again, so yeah. See you guys in the next... What?
Shit.
Okay, so this is getting awkward. So, see you guys in the next scene where we review Hamskate. So, our first card we got here is a grade 1 Hamskate. Pencil Squire Hamskate with 10k shield and 8k power. He's a rare. Okay, so that take up the rare spot. Continuous on R. If your Vanguard is Pencil Hero Hamskate, this unit get 4k. Auto on Rearguard. At the end of your turn, Soul Blast 1. Put this unit into Soul. Search your deck for up to 1 Pencil Knight Hamskate. Review it and put it in your hand. And shuffle your deck. I mean, it's in Searcher. But then, if you want to use a skill, because it goes into the Soul anyway. So, what you need is a grade 1 and this Hamskate. It's kind of hard, but... I mean, with that you would guarantee a grade 2. Then... You would guarantee a grade 2 Hamskate. You're not gonna guarantee the grade 3, but then in the late game, but then we could attack a lot, so we still have time to get the grade 3, so I think it's not much of a problem. So what do you think, KT?
Okay, Hamskates, I don't really like them, but if you were to use them, I would say this is a really good one to use. Because I was thinking, it's got a skill, but it's a rear skill. So, how are you going to get it? So, because you're going to have way better stuff to ride Vanguard first time. But then, me being the idiot that I was, ran a bit further forward, realised, Soul Blast 1, put it into the Soul, and then search for the grade 2. So that is really nice. The first skill, it's a meh skill. It's and then the second skill, that's really good. I like that if you're gonna use Hamskates anyway.
Okay, so your opinion is pretty okay. What would you, okay? I think I'm gonna make a rank system. Okay, how many points would you give it? Okay, how many KT point would you give it out of 10? How many smart point? I think that would be cooler.
Okay, alright. So, if I were to use Hamskate, this need it, it has to be in the deck. In terms of use, I would give it an 8, since it doesn't give you the option to search for the grade 3 as well. Well, no, let's go down a bit. A 7, because you're not able to search for the grade 3 as well, or the grade 2. It has to be the grade 2. So, that's why a 7 if I was to use Hamsker.
Okay, so you give us 7 smart point or 7 KT point. I don't know why I even make that, but okay. So, yeah, so let's get to our grade 2, shall we? So, see you guys in the next scene. So, our next card is a grade 2 9k base, 5k shield, Pencil Knight Hamskate, the grade 2. So, his first skill continue on R. If your Vanguard is Pencil Hero Hamskate, this unit get 3k. Second skill, continue on Vanguard. During the battle with attack, if you have a Pencil Squire Hamskate in your soul, it get 5k. So it's kind of like Werewolf Seeker where it attack for 14, but in Soul Search too. On Reyes, 12k base, even in your opponent turn, like the Hamskate one. So I guess if you put it in the same column, I guess you could make 24k column. If you put it in Excel marker, it will only hit Excel clan with the 22 attacker. I guess that's what Bushiroad is going for. But yeah. So what is your opinion, Katie?
Okay. As far as cards go, this is pretty average. I feel like they just put it there because they didn't want to make it search, but they knew they needed the grade 2 one, so it's just there to be that guy, just say, hey, don't forget about me. I'm right. I'm just gonna sit here. Don't ignore me. But I'm just gonna sit here in your deck and be useless.
Oh, okay. So how many smart point or KT point would you give them?
Okay, this one it's got no uses except for attacking capability, so adding a bit more power. But even then, I don't like how you can't use both the skills at the same time because one's Rhea, one's Vanguard. So I'm going to say with that one, a 4, just because it's there to be there, just because it needed the grade 2.
That's kind of unexplainable. It's not that good. And to be fair, all of the 3, the grade 1 and the grade 3 look the most appealing, and the grade 2 is kind of just there.
It's just there to be there, you know what I mean?
Like in the art, the grade 3 look cool because it's like in a giant robo with one eye. And then the grade 1 just look really cute, and then the middle one is like, it's not that cute, but it's cute, but it's not as cute as the grade 1, but it's not as cool as the grade 3. You know what I mean? But yeah, so that's his opinion. So let's get to the last card, our hero. So our last card is a grade 3 with 12k base with an Excel marker. His name is the Pencil Hero, Hamskate. Are you listening, KT, in the basement?
What?
Okay, so his skill is auto on Vanguard when placed. If you have a Pencil Knight Hamskate and a Pencil Squire Hamskate in your soul, discard 2 cards from your hand. You can get a 1 imaginary gift, Axel. Search your deck for up to 1 Pencil Knight Hamskate and Pencil Squire Hamskate. Call them to rearguard and shuffle your deck. I think this is a really okay card. No, I changed my mind. I mean, the grade 1 search for the grade 2, I guess that's good. The only awkward one is grade 2 because you cannot search for grade 3, and it's not that good by itself. Pressuring the power in the early game is not that good. I guess this card 2 for Excel is not that bad because Excel need marker. Now, do you have resources to call it to Excel marker? That's the question. But then you already called two specific cards from the deck. I guess that would cover the cards. I mean, I'm not sure how this is gonna work out in standard, but in premium it's probably not gonna be run. In standard it's probably gonna be forced run because there's not any other better option. Probably gonna ride this first, get to Excel, and then next turn ride into Leopold, get the 3rd Excel, and then do some shenanigans. Probably something like that. But yeah, I think it's a pretty cool card. What do you think, Katie?
I like it, but once again, it's like you don't get that grade 1 at the beginning. Screw the grade 2. You don't need that. You need that grade 1 because it'll give you the grade 2, which no one wants that grade 2. It'll give you the grade 2, and then it'll give you the grade 3. You'll get the grade 3, but if you don't get that grade 1, you're gonna lose the game. You know what I mean? Your Hammersuit. There's no point using Hammersuit unless you've got some way to search for that grade 1 or search for the grade 3 or something.
Yeah, that's a pretty good point. How much point would you give it?
Considering it is a really good skill, really good.
To discard 2, get Excel, and then call 2 card. Yeah, that's pretty worth it.
You do need to make sure you get one of the cards. I think I'm going to give that an 8, just because you need to have that grade 1. I'm not going to lie, that would be a 10, but you need that grade 1. If you didn't need that grade 1, I'd give it a 10.
Yeah, it's a pretty solid, really good card. I mean, the only problem is the grade 2 because it doesn't search for the grade 3. If it did search for the grade 3, then it probably will be really good. But I mean, after this, it's probably gonna be a dead card because to use it even the first skill, you need Pencil Hero on Vanguard. So when you run into Leopold, all of them become vanilla.
Oh yeah, you're right.
So yeah. So after you run into Leopold, everything, all these 12 cards become vanilla.
Oh my god.
Are you happy, Katie?
So much attention.
Are you happy?
Yes.
Oh yeah, Katie.